Yes. Hello everyone and welcome to the live platform of IFAS. स्वागत है आप सभी का। सबसे पहले मुझे एक बार कमेंट सेक्शन में आप सभी बताइएगा कि मेरी वॉइस आपको प्रॉपरली आ रही है, क्योंकि थोड़ा टेक्निकल सेटअप है तो मुझे पता रहना चाहिए। आप लोगों के कमेंट्स के भरोसे ही हम चल पाएंगे। तो एक बार मुझे कमेंट्स में जरूर बताना कि मेरी वॉइस प्रॉपरली आ रही है आपको, एंड आप हम दोनों को कायदे से देख पा रहे हैं। वी आर विजिबल प्रॉपरली। चलिए, तो वी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको बताता हूं इस टाइप के सेशंस, जैसा हमने सैटरडे को प्लान किया था लेक्चर के दौरान कि वी आर गोइंग टू हैव सच सेशंस जहां हम आईएफएस के जो एलुमनाइज हैं उनसे आपकी इंटरेक्शन कराएंगे, और जो पीएचडी प्रोसेस होता है एडमिशन का उसके बारे में बात करेंगे, लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में बात करेंगे, वहां पे किस टाइप का एनवायरनमेंट है, जो बच्चे इन फ्यूचर पीएचडी करने वाले हैं उनको बहुत सारे इनपुट्स पहले मिल सकें, और जो मेहनत इन्होंने करी है उस एडमिशन प्रोसेस के दौरान भी कितनी सारे डाउट्स जो आते हैं वो इनको अब पता है, तो वो सारी चीजें हम लोग यहाँ से सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे, है ना। एक बार आप लोग सेशन लाइक और शेयर जरूर करना, तभी मजा आएगा, वरना फिर मजा नहीं आएगा दोस्त मेरे, है ना। एक सेकेंड। आज हमारी आईएफएस मिनी इंडिया कहाँ रह गई दोस्त? ओके, सो हमारे साथ आज आईएफएस एलुमनाई के गेस्ट रूम में वी हैव तेजस्वनी हियर, एंड Tejasvani actually belong from Chennai, so this interview will be a little bit in English also because there is she don't know exact, she can understand Hindi I think, but she is not able to speak it correctly, but we will make her speak, we will try something, okay. So first of all, Tejasvani, welcome to our platform, and how you are doing these days. Tell something about you.
Thank you, sir. Good evening all. Yes, sir, it's good. Fine, everything is good.
So you had your dinner, first of all, tell me that.
Yes, sir. Just now, just 5 minutes back.
Okay. So we will be entertaining students also. We will be seeing, you can see the comments, right? If in your phone, if you want to see the comments, okay. So they are saying you good evening. So good evening everyone. फटाफट से सेशन शेयर और लाइक जरूर करेंगे, वरना फिर मजा नहीं आएगा। एक बार थोड़ा सा तेजस्वनी अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दीजिए। आप इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स हु डोंट नो यू, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आल्सो नो यू।
Myself Tejasvani, I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. My UG, PG all in Tamil Nadu only. I joined IFAS for CSIR NET coaching, and I got JRF last time, All India rank 87. Then I joined IISc Bangalore for my PhD program.
Okay, very nice. So when did you actually thought कि I have to do PhD? ये वाला thought कब आया था कि PhD करनी है?
On MSc second year, sir. When I was in second year of MSc, that doing project time, I thought I have to do PhD.
Okay.
Like by seeing my seniors and professors there in my college, I started thinking that I have to do PhD.
Okay, so I think how many days has been till you have joined the IISc Bangalore?
I joined on August 1. Academic actually starts on August 1. We came 1 week previously, like July 24, 25, we came to campus, and officially it started on August 1.
Okay. So in these 2 months, how was your experience? What things happened to you? What new things you have seen there?
Yeah, it's very good, sir. Like the environment is very different. PhD is very different when... Sir, actually, is it buffering now?
No, I don't think it's buffering.
Yeah, it's good. Like here, the environment is totally different. PhD life is like from 8 to 8, 12 hours life. Morning to night, lab, theory, coursework, assignments. Still, we have assignment in PhD.
Okay, still you have assignments.
Yeah, assignments in PhD.
So the coursework is more like MSc coursework, or is it something different?
Something different. We have to. It's not like compulsory. We have to do four courses for the total PhD credits. First year, first 6 months we can do whatever the course. Two course for first 6 months, then two course for next 6 months. But we can finish it in the first 6 months also. So
Okay.
I planned I can finish this in first 6 months itself. So four courses we have. I think all related to our own research.
So the marks, there are exams also.
Yeah, we have exam, mid-sem, end-sem, assignments,
Oh my God.
surprise quiz. That is important.
So
Surprise
marks
quiz
in
is
these
there.
exams do matter.
Yeah, it's important for CGPA.
Okay.
For people who are trying for lateral entry, PMRF.
Mm-hmm.
So for them, it's important.
Students are saying that it's all English, English, English.
English, English. I know this will be like this only.
Okay, no problem. If I
So you
ask
can
my
talk
questions in
English,
Hindi,
no?
if I ask my
Uh,
questions in Hindi, will you be able to understand?
yeah, I can understand, sir.
Okay, so let me try. Okay. Uh, Someone is saying, hey Tejasvani, under which scientist you are pursuing? सब कुछ जानेंगे परवी जी, सब कुछ जानेंगे साइंटिस्ट इनके गाइड के बारे में. We will know everything. Tipanshu here, welcome Tipanshu. PhD is not like MSc, is also like MSc. हाँ. तो शुरू के जो मेरे ख्याल से जो कोर्स वर्क होते हैं वो थोड़ा बहुत उसमें पढ़ना पड़ता है, और हाँ आपके वहां पे भी एग्जाम्स वगैरह होंगे तो वो वाला जो फीलिंग है वो थोड़ा रहेगा अभी. एंड हाँ, मार्क्स तो लाने पड़ेंगे आपको वहां पे भी. ठीक है. तेजस्विनी, आपको क्या लगता है, द प्रीवियस नॉलेज, द प्रीवियस बेस्ड नॉलेज विच यू हैव गैदर्ड इन योर ड्यूरिंग योर प्रिपरेशन, क्या वो अभी यूज में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. Because now coursework is somewhat theory. No, we have to write exam, do assignments. So all we need that PG knowledge as well as the CSIR knowledge, like preparation knowledge. We have. We should have. That is important.
Okay. And tell me something about campus. How is the campus? Did you आपने campus घूमा पूरा, enjoy किया?
Yeah, it's campus is very greenish, full
Okay.
of trees. Always Bangalore is full, no chill climate. So always raining. 24/7 it's raining. Campus is really good. So and protective also. 24/7 securities are there. You can go directly anytime lab, anytime to the mess, anytime to hostel. You can go outside also. 24/7 doors are open. You can go out also.
So
Campus is good.
what's the distance between your hostel and your lab? And how do you travel?
Hostel and lab is 3 kilometers
Oh
apart.
my God. So how do you go to your lab?
Mess and hostel is 3 kilometers.
Hmm.
Hostel and mess and lab is 3 kilometers. Everything is 3 to 4 kilometers. We can go by cycle or bike. We can purchase.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Very good. And कुछ इवेंट्स भी होते हैं क्या? अभी तो अभी आपको ज्यादा समय नहीं हुआ है. आपने कोई इवेंट अटेंड किया in your
Like
campus?
in this 1 month, I think only freshers happened, sir. And Ganesh Chaturthi is coming next week, so they are planning very high for the Ganesh Chaturthi now.
So how was your freshers party?
Freshers party is so good. Like a full IIC freshers party is there, and department wise freshers party also there.
Okay.
But department still they didn't conduct. Maybe next month they'll conduct. But full enjoyment, everything is there. But yeah, we have to manage both.
Yes. आपके जो कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, मैं कमेंट्स के क्वेश्चन भी लूंगा. सर बफरिंग इज स्टार्ट. अरे यार, बफरिंग कहाँ हो रही है? से लालचन मत लगाओ दोस्त मेरे.
I'm unable to understand, Jitesh. Please explain after the session.
मैं क्वेश्चन लूंगा, आपके कमेंट्स के क्वेश्चन भी लूंगा, उसकी टेंशन मत लो. ठीक है. नो बफरिंग. वेरी गुड अभिषेक, थैंक यू सो मच बताने के लिए. यस, तो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कैंपस. नाउ let's talk about something, the procedure, how you get to the admission. Briefly आप मुझे बताओ, जब आपका JRF निकल गया और आपने एडमिशन ले लिया, उसके बीच में कितनी टेंशन हुई? What was the thing जो आपको नई चीजें पता लगी, और वो प्रोसीजर क्या होता है? क्योंकि कोई स्टूडेंट जिसको नहीं पता, इनफैक्ट उतनी क्लियरिटी से हम टीचर्स को भी नहीं पता होता जब तक उस प्रोसेस से ना गुजरे. So what were the processes and steps once you have cleared the GRF and once you have taken the admission?
Actually, before this JRF result, I applied to IISc Bangalore with my Inspire fellowship. So my mode of entry is Inspire only.
Okay.
After my JRF result, I changed the fellowship from Inspire to CSIR JRF.
Okay.
Processes we have to apply to IISc Bangalore in the online website. Like website is there, we have to do online application. After online application, they will call us, they will shortlist and they'll call for the interview. There is no written exam for the people who are qualified. Directly interview is there. Interview is too hectic. We have to prepare. Really, 2 rounds of interviews are there. Getting selected there is itself big task. Morning one session interview will be there. Evening, if you get selected from the first round, then second round interview will be there. So interview after getting selected in interview, they'll send a mail or they'll call from the department, and they'll ask the professor preference. We have to give the supervisor preference also. 3 people we can give. From that, depending on their vacancy, they will provide. So after that, they'll get professor may call you or send a mail. For me, they called me and they said, you got selected under this professor. You have to work like this, that. And fees we have to do after getting selected. Then hostel fees also, because hostel everyone needs. So hostel fees, college fees, then that's it. Document verification, in person document verification, one day they'll allot. We have to come for that.
Okay, so we will be coming to the interview because जो students सुन रहे हैं आपको, they are very, वो उनको interview वाले portion से बहुत डर लगता है. इनको लगता है कि interview में पता नहीं क्या पूछ लिया जाएगा. So you have faced 2 rounds of interview. आप कुछ questions बता सकते हो कि क्या questions आपसे पूछे गए थे?
Sir, actually, I applied for 2 departments. In organic chemistry, there are separate departments. In organic chemistry, 1 department, SSU 1 department is there, organic 1 department. I applied for inorganic and organic. Inorganic is little bit easy comparatively. They asked me my preference choice. I said coordination chemistry and OMC. So in that they asked few questions, like they gave the compound and they asked simple only structure, oxidation state, and maybe how they will give one structure, and they asked me how you can characterize. Then we have to say either by IR or NMR. IR means specifically they'll ask IR stretching frequency and this technical question. And whatever we are asking, we are answering, from that they will ask next question. So it's like combined.
Everything is connected. What you answer?
Everything is connected. Yeah. For interview, I can say there are 3 panels are there. 3 panel. In that 3 panel, I went into 3rd panel. In that 5 professors were there. 5 people will ask together all the questions. Like when you finished answering one professor question, then someone will start like that. So we have to answer for all the 5 professors questions. Then they'll ask you to write some structure on the board, any IR, NMR data. OMC, if you go, in that also they'll ask the structure, that bridging ligand and NO stretching, that specifically they'll ask. For me, they asked like that. And after my first round of interview, evening I got selected for the second round. I went to the second round also. In that was not that much difficult. They asked just what is your area of interest, and what is your interest, like how you will do PhD, like that general question. They asked in inorganic department. When I come to organic, organic is bit difficult. In my first round of interview, the 4 professors were there in my panel. They asked me they gave one product. They asked me something retrosynthesis. They asked, like, from which compound you will start to synthesize this compound, like that. And they gave 4, for example, if you put for any proton abstraction, we say some base, means they will ask what base specifically. what equivalents you will use. So much technical questions are there. And after that, NMR questions are there. They gave organic compound and they said what are the peaks and that de-shielding, shielding protons, and that question they asked. And when we finish answering that question, in that question they continually asking questions. So it
Okay.
was like that in organic. Second round of organic interview is too tough. Like
Okay.
whole organic chemistry department is there in
Yeah.
one big room.
Hmm.
I was so nervous at the time. I don't know whether I will get selected or not. Seriously, nearly 10 professors were there. In inorganic also 15, 10 to 15 faculties were there. In organic chemistry, less than 10 were there. So
Okay.
they asked me to write some structure, and they asked like something diazonium chloride we will synthesis na amine to that reaction. They asked the mechanism also.
Okay.
And DNMR they asked a few things, and MCBBA, that lactone formation one reaction they asked, like 4 member to 5 member, how you will convert.
Okay.
Mechanism they asked.
Okay.
NMR, always NMR.
So you were having a
Always.
piece of paper also, you were writing the reactions and showing them, or it was
Like
just
we went to
verbally?
the board. We went to the board and we were writing
Okay.
in the room.
So like teacher used to teach in classroom or writing on the board.
Yeah, whiteboard with the marker.
Okay. And
Everyone was
all
sitting
the
in the
professors were
panel.
sitting in front of
Yeah, everyone in the panel,
you.
round table, they were sitting, and I am standing in the center of that room. I
Hmm.
got shivering actually. I thought I won't be selected, but I got selected.
सो हाउ डिड यू ओवरकम दिस नर्वसनेस, क्योंकि डर बहुत ज्यादा लगता है उस टाइम पे। और
बहुत
जो
ज्यादा।
जो बच्चे आपको सुन रहे हैं, इनकी तो हवा निकल जाएगी। इन तो जैसे जब मैं क्लास में इनको माइक ऑन करने को कहता हूँ तो ये मेरे सामने नहीं बोल पाते, एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू ओवरकम दैट फियर। सो व्हाट यू वर थिंकिंग, बिकॉज यस आप भी उस वक्त डर रहे थे, तो हाउ यू ओवरकम दैट?
And, I don't know how I overcome. Seriously, first round was easy. Seriously, it was easy because there is no formal. They'll make us feel comfortable in the first round.
Okay.
Like we can answer whatever the technical questions what they are asking. We can answer freely in the first round. But in the second round, the whole department will be sitting, and each professor is working under different field. So
Right.
they will start asking from their field. Like for example, in organic chemistry, chemical biology, biology related courses there. So those course related faculty were also sitting, and organic synthesis faculty is also there. Then computational chemistry, those people also there. So everyone will start asking different questions. So we can be nervous, no problem. They will help, but finally we had to answer no.
राइट।
Yeah.
सो आई थिंक एक लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस रहा होगा इस इंटरव्यू का, और क्रैक करने के बाद आपको भी बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आया होगा कि हाँ मैंने कुछ अचीव किया है।
Sir, actually, I don't know. Like I achieved just because I prepared little bit before the exam, like before the interview and everything. But when you go into this room, now whenever they started asking question, we will forget whatever they are asking.
Just
And
feeling
whatever we
blank.
studied also, even though we qualified exam and we are qualified students, if they started asking, we will be somewhat afraid only. But after answering one or two questions, we can pick up. I think students no need to get tensed. They
So-
can answer if they studied well.
So how to prepare for this interview? Did you read books or did you read your notes only? कैसे prepare किया था इस पूरे process के लिए?
Genuinely speaking, I didn't prepare much because after my CSIR exam, within that 1 week, 1 to 2 weeks gap only I had before the interview. So I prepared in that 2 3 weeks. Then with that same CSIR notes and gate notes, what I prepared, I just go through all those things and maybe some reaction or the reagent only specifically mechanism, NMR, that peak location, yeah. So some key points only I just prepared. So just like that, when they ask questions, it's like the theory paper only. We can how we are writing this CSIR exam the same way. If we think and answer them, that's enough. I think we will be afraid only, but they know that the students are like that. They'll not, so they won't judge.
Right.
So we can answer whatever we have in our mind. Directly we
Hmm.
can answer, even though if we are feeling afraid, also just answer whatever we know. They'll get to know and they will do everything.
ओके सो जो मुझे लग रहा है जो बच्चों को यहाँ से सीखना चाहिए कि आपका जो कोर्स वर्क आप अभी JRF CSIR नेट में प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो उसको अच्छे से पढ़ो, वही यूज हो जाएगा आपका इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस में भी. ओके सो फाइनली ऑर्गेनिक का भी दिया, इनऑर्गेनिक का भी दिया. नाउ अंडर विच टॉपिक यू आर वर्किंग, और आपके जो गाइड हैं उनके बारे में बताइए, और लैब का इन्वायरमेंट कैसा है, और कुछ दोस्त बने क्या लैब में?
Actually, I got selected in both the departments, and
Okay.
I chose organic chemistry because my choice of preference in the application is organic chemistry. Then only I gave say inorganic. So I chose organic chemistry, and my professor is Professor Kavirayani R. Prasad.
Okay.
He is working in total synthesis of organic chemistry, and I'm doing that.
And how is the lab environment?
Lab environment is good. It's a total synthesis lab. We have to work like so hectic. It's not like computational or it's not something easy.
Right.
We can say it's difficult for sure. But yeah, it's easy. We can if after setting a scheme and started working on the. Actually, I'm working in natural products now.
Okay.
So yeah, so after getting somewhat related scheme, we can slowly work. There is no time limitation in my lab, especially.
Okay.
You can come at any time. If you're not feeling well, also no problem. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, or afternoon also you can come. And within 2 hours, if you don't want, also you can go.
Okay. Very
It's
good.
like that, but we have to manage the time. But weekly once we have group meeting, and weekly once we have to do report submission, like work report submit to the group. And we have group like research group, one group is there in Outlook. So we have to send a mail each and every time when we have a doubt, or when they post question we have to answer.
Okay.
Weekly once group meeting is there on Saturday. Every Saturday group meeting is there in my group. Like sir used to come, and we have to do presentation. Like first for a few years, like few weeks, we have to do literature presentation. We have to study the papers related to our field. We have to present. And after started working, we have to present our own work, what we are doing in the lab. This is what happened in the last 1 week, like that. So weekly once literature presentation and work presentation will be there.
Okay. So you are reading papers. Are you facing some difficulty in reading papers and understanding them in the initial phase? And how are you overcoming that?
Yes, sir. It's now difficult for me. Still now it's difficult. I'm not getting used to it because just now I started studying reading papers. We have access for all the things, all the journals and everything. We have the free access here. So if you want to use SciFinder or any Chemdra or some other software is there, so we can use. There is no problem. We can freely use. And reading papers, little bit, we need some assistance from our senior for 1 month, at least 2-3 months. We have to study. We have to just analyze what is happening in the reaction now. Later on, we will. I think we can pick up easily.
Okay, very good. So I will be taking some questions from the comments also. Okay. They are saying general study. You have to study generals, right? So you use ChatGPT also to make your work easy.
Actually, there is one incident like few in other department. I think engineering department for assignments and all they used ChatGPT, and
Okay.
professor got it that they got from ChatGPT, and that assignment got 0.
Oh my God.
Not my department, but my senior, like other people. When I see in the mess, they used to say that this happened to me like that. So please, PhD students, don't try to use ChatGPT for your assignment or exam. They
Right.
will they will find it out and they'll put, especially in IIC, I'm seeing so many people saying that if we use ChatGPT and they found it, TA will be there for coursework, teacher assistant will be there apart from professor. They will find out and they'll put zero, and your
Okay.
CGPA is gone. So don't try to do ChatGPT.
Very good. So means you need not to copy. आप वहां से copy paste मत करो. हाँ, for your understanding you can use it, right?
Yeah, for our understanding, we can use. Dipanshu is asking, how's your hostel life?
Uh, Tell something about the hostel life then.
Hostel life is good. I think he know already.
So what's the schedule? Tell me. सुबह उठे, breakfast timing, and then lab work. How's the schedule going on?
Sir, morning 7:30 to 10 we have breakfast session in the mess. Actually, in IIC we have 5 messes,
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E. So this is like in IIC mostly from north side people are there. So we have 3 North Indian mess, 2 South Indian mess.
Okay.
In that also, North veg is there, North non-veg is there, South veg, South non-veg, and composite mess combined.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
So you are
So
currently having your breakfast in which mess?
now I am allotted to North veg.
North veg. So
Yeah,
can you tell me something what you are having in breakfast? Are you liking it or not?
I like it. I will see the menu. I don't remember. Every day, Monday morning, we have poha.
Okay.
And paneer paratha is there, aloo sandwich, and aloo paratha, aloo dosa. Then
Very
we
good.
have onion onion uttapam is there, aloo. Everything is aloo. I am new to
So
this. I didn't even eat this before, and for me, it's new.
so aloo paratha
And
is new for you?
yeah, aloo paratha is new for me. I didn't even tasted it before.
Oh,
And
very
yeah,
good. Aloo, actually in North, aloo paratha is very common. And if you go to Haryana, Delhi, they used to have aloo paratha in breakfast. That's why you are having that in the menu. So
yeah,
it's a
aloo
very heavy
paratha is
breakfast, no?
weekly twice. Gobi paratha is there, aloo paratha is there. Then one day they put idli sambar also,
Okay.
South Indian food. And we have matar chole for lunch and rajma, jeera rice, cabbage, peas, sabzi, turai
So
sabzi, puri. So many things are there.
what do you like the most, the breakfast or the lunch? Because in IIT Delhi, I used to
Breakfast is
like the breakfast.
Breakfast is good. Breakfast is good. Lunch and dinner, I'm not used to it because we will eat somewhat spicy, but here spiciness is not there. It's not there. So only dal. Different types of dal is there. Pani burji and tawa pulao. We
I
have
saw
that
your
WhatsApp
status.
group.
You have put a thali of, I think that was dinner thali or it was the lunch. I don't know.
No, it is that 2 to 3 weeks of mess photo what I took. I collage it and I put status.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So I think you are आप जो नॉर्थ की डिशेस हैं, are you liking the dishes from the north or they are
Eh, No, food is good, sir. Like North
hmm,
food is good.
hmm.
Just now I'm trying na, so it's
It's
good.
all new to you?
Yeah, it's new to you. Food is good. Food is
Hmm.
really good. Even North veg and non-veg, South veg, non-veg, everything is good.
Okay, they are saying
Uh,
to have a look on the comments also.
oh, sorry.
Okay, आप लोग अपने सवाल कमेंट में डालो, फिर हम लोग पूछते हैं, ठीक है? सर मेनू सुन के ज्यादा खुश लग रहे हैं. ऑफ कोर्स मेनू सुन के खुशी तो होगी.
I hate aloo. Pooja said.
So what is the breakfast menu for the South mess? आप लोगों के South mess में क्या जनरली होता है breakfast में? That will be new
Yeah,
to us.
South is idli sambar, pongal,
Hmm.
puri vada. Then we have dosa, different varieties of dosa. Then I
So you
don't know
must be
what they are
missing that.
providing. I am missing that little bit, but maybe this is just first month na, so
Hmm.
I can manage with North mess. But later, I think I should shift the mess.
Right.
Aloo is king of vegetables.
प्रिया पूछ रही है प्रिपरेशन जर्नी के ऊपर ऑलरेडी एक इंटरव्यू है, इस वजह से मैं उस पर नहीं जा रहा हूँ। थोड़ा पीएचडी लाइफ के बारे में जान लो, उससे रिलेटेड आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है तो नीचे कमेंट में डालो, मैं पूछता हूँ। ओके,
Let's
आप
stop
तीनों
discussing about food.
यस, लेट्स स्टॉप दैट।
One then science is getting irritated. Share your preparation journey.
ओके, ब्रीफली एक बार ब्रीफली बता दो कि हाउ यू प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर योर सीएसआईआर।
The CSIR NET, actually 2024 I passed my PG. So 1 year I took break for CSIR preparation. Like at first I started preparing by my own. Then I joined IFAS. Since I'm not comfortable with Hindi, I took a recorded English course.
Okay.
And we have that DPPs also, and I purchased test series also from IFAS. So I prepared like from my own also, but I have watched this English recorded course as well as test series. These all helped me. Maybe 6 months is my preparation time for CSIR NET, complete preparation. Before that, I was just attempting along with my MSc. I didn't prepare that time. So after joining IFAS, every day I used to start preparing. First, I prepared mainly organic and inorganic. I'm afraid of physical chemistry.
Okay.
So yeah, I took this too as my major preparation part. So I took organic as my first preference, and mostly I covered, I think, all the portions of organic chemistry. Inorganic coordination, OMC, main group I didn't touch. Some small units like physical also I studied little bit solid state, little bit of chemical kinetics, quantum, all I touched. But my focus is on organic and inorganic because I can score somewhat more marks compared to physical.
Okay.
So and my mock test also I got nearly that range only, 110, 20, that range I got. And that is my preparation. 6 months I prepared for complete preparation for CSIR and GATE.
ओके, वेरी गुड। सो फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री जिनकी वीक है उनको कुछ यहाँ से सीखना चाहिए कि भाई हाँ पॉसिबल है, बट यू हैव टू डू फ्यू टॉपिक्स। जैसे कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स आपने फिजिकल में किए, थोड़ा सा और उस पर एलोबरेट करो।
Physical I studied only chemical kinetics, electrochemistry little bit, solid state, not quantum. I didn't even touch quantum.
Okay.
Only these three
Group
units.
theory?
Group theory, no. Maybe inorganic, little bit of basic I know from group theory, but not much.
Okay. And the complete syllabus of organic chemistry and mostly topics of the inorganic chemistry.
Most topics of inorganic chemistry and previous year questions. I mostly last 2 months I prepared previous year questions only before the exam. Like February is my exam, means December, January 2 months I prepared for the previous year questions. And I did mock test also, unit wise test, chapter wise test, that and all I did.
And the preparation for CSIR NET, how is it different when you were in the college days? For when you used to write your semester exams, are these things different? Are the approach towards both of the exams were different for you?
Because in PG I didn't focus on CSIR exam. I didn't even focus. I just went to see the paper. How is it? So I just like that with my PG knowledge, I went and attended. I didn't qualify anything, and after that I thought, okay, I have to sit and study. So I studied.
Okay, there is a question from Shrikant. He's saying that organic question को करने के भी मुझे डाउट रहता है कि आंसर ठीक है या नहीं, ये वाला फोबिया कैसे डील करें? Did you understood?
You tell me again.
Yes. Actually, he is asking whenever we attempt organic chemistry questions, we are always dicey whether it is correct or incorrect. So, how did you overcome this phobia for organic?
Organic, So if we prepare too much for organic, for example, we have to prepare all the concepts. For example, previous year question, and if we started preparing with our reference book or questions like Clayden or Carthus, Nans, everything. If we started preparing. Then we can, after 1 or 2 months, I think we can we will have a doubt in two options, maybe two we can easily eliminate two options. In that any clues will be there. For example, stereochemistry will be different, or any double bond shift, anything may be different. In that, if we keenly observe, I think 70% we can surely say that one option is correct. In
Right.
that time we can put, otherwise don't put that, bookmark the question and move to the next question.
Right.
Yeah.
There are some more questions from I will be taking from the comments.
Oh,
Uh,
actually my friends also watching this.
okay. Very good. Did you make notes big? Manthan Science is asking, did you make notes big copy for each chapter? Of course, you
No,
made notes.
Manthan. No, Manthan. Actually, I did only by seeing, or when I studied, I just took notes for that. For example, if I'm watching YouTube live, then I will take notes for organic, physical, inorganic, everything. Sometimes I will just study the books, reference book, or any PG notes also I used to refer. I won't take for all the units, I won't take notes. Only for the selected topics, I will take notes and study.
There's a one good question from Ashwini. He's asking, hey Tejasvani, it's compulsory for our university professor recommendation for joining IISc, because just 2 days before I gone through the interview call for research assistant, but they asked me the recommendation. So how was the recommendation process? Was there for you or not?
No, I don't know about this recommendation, sir. For in my case, I don't need any recommendation, but sometimes in your CV they will ask a reference. There we have to give our PG or project guide like profile. Profile in the sense we can give their name with their permission, and we can give the contact details also. If they ask in the panel, we can give. Uh, I think I don't have any recommendation for my admission. I don't know about this.
Okay, okay. Uh, Nisha Patel is asking, is PYQs enough or we have to practice more?
Akansha is also saying, is it compulsory to talk in English during interview? Sorry, Akansha, I don't know Hindi. As I already mentioned, I can understand Hindi, but I can't talk. So please bear with me. Sorry, sir, what you said?
I asked a question. Nisha is asking, is PYQs enough for practice or we need to practice more?
PYQ is enough, I can say, for bare minimum mark, but to take a good score, or sometimes PYQs cannot directly come in our exam. We can apply the knowledge what we studied in PYQs. Um, but doing PYQs is like 50-50%. 50% it will help. You have to study reference notes, reference books, and class notes also. Short notes we can make for physical chemistry, formula sheets, and any cheat sheets we can prepare for physical chemistry. Organic and all also, if we want any conversion, for example, alcohol to aldehyde, any oxidizing reagent means we can write all the oxidizing reagent, all the reducing reagent. Likewise, we can make small short notes. I think that's good.
Uh, there is one more question. How many attempts you make for JRF?
I think this is my third attempt.
The two were in your MSc?
MSc, and one were at my second year starting of my MSc, then at the end of my MSc. Then this is my 1 year that break time I took another attempt.
So those two attempts helped you, because many students think that हम अपना first attempt तभी देंगे जब हम well prepared होंगे. आप क्या सोचते हो इस पे?
Sir, actually, for people who didn't prepare previously, if we just go and attempt, they can take it as an experience. They can ask, they can just see to the question how they are asking the question. Um, but if we already prepare, well done means on the first attempt also we can I mean, qualified JRF, but I didn't do that. I didn't prepare much, so I took that as an experience. I just saw what the questions are and how difficult the question is, how I have to prepare more. So I took it as an experience and I studied.
Okay. There's a question from student Sushil. Sushil has cleared this time. JRF is clearing with a very good rank. First of all, he's saying namaste to you, and he is asking, suggest me about PhD area. Let's suppose many students are not aware about their interest and they don't know which area of PhD they can choose. So, what is your thought over this? How they
But
can choose a subject or topic?
actually, choosing the research area is purely like depends on them. For example, if they have special interest when they are doing MSc itself, like for example, if they interest so much on computational, means they can go computational. Like no need to do that much of lab work. Or else if they like to do organic, hardcore organic synthesis, like by MSc project also we can say that what is our interest, area of interest.
Right.
So one who are doing MSc project now, or who are in first year or second year of MSc now, they can analyze that which is their best, I mean, interested path. Or else those who already completed MSc also now, when they are preparing for the CSIR journey, or else those who already qualified CSIR, they can just have three options. First, three preference in that you have to first of all go through the profile of the supervisor, then means the publications what they have already done. So by seeing that and all, we can at least finalize that this is my best, I can go with this, like that. By seeing
Right.
papers and professors area of interest and other people work, or talking to seniors, we can say. So I chose organic chemistry because I did MSc organic chemistry, and I already have a specialization of organic chemistry, so I thought I have to go organic. And in that also, I don't like that chemical biology, that biology related thing I don't like. So I chose hardcore organic synthesis.
Okay. I think your friends are also here. Kavi Priya is your friend. Hi Teju, I am very
Yeah,
happy for you.
yeah,
Everyone is happy
she's
for
my
you.
PG classmate. She's
Okay,
my
okay.
PG classmate.
Okay, very good. Now, there's a question from Suman. Tejasvani, when you start uh, attempt test or mock test after completed whole syllabus or topic wise preparation, I think she's asking, when your syllabus was completely completed, then you gone for the test or mock test, or you have attempted these tests in between also.
No, a topic wise test, I think we can do after the completion of that particular topic.
Right.
But mock test, full length mock, we can do only after completing 70 percentage of the syllabus. I think that is good, because if we don't even study at the beginning itself, if you do mock test, then we will feel discouraged, like we're not getting marks. So after completing syllabus, we can take full length test. That is good.
Okay. So there's a question from Akansha. Tejaswini, is there any dress code for interview in IISc Bangalore? It's a very unique question.
Interview, yeah, for, I think male, I mean, gents should wear formal dress. For ladies, I think there is no dress code. We can wear western as well as the salwar, chudi, anything, whatever people can wear, but something should be decent. For
Okay.
gen, I think for male, that there is some tuck in dress, shirting should be there.
Formal shirt, pant you can have.
Formal shirt, pant, shoes. I think that is good. Not rules like that, but that is good.
एक फॉर्मल लुक आपका आना चाहिए. मुझे लग रहा है आकांक्षा इज गोइंग टू फॉर शॉपिंग and she is preparing. First of all, how I am going to look into the interview. Very good, Akansha. You are thinking one step ahead. Ma'am, tell us about your laboratory.
Lab is good. Actually, where I am working is that professor is very senior to the department. Like he is going to retire in upcoming 7-8 years. I think he's too senior. Okay. So his lab is already well equipped. Like it's already been there for very long years. So we have already so much research scholars, like seniors there. So like we have all the facilities here, I can say. For organic we have NMR, IR, UV, and we have this for ozonolysis also we have one instrument, sir. I think here only I learned that for ozonolysis reaction we have that one instrument for carrying out this reaction. Polarimeter we have, HPLC is there,
Okay.
HRMS is there. So all the like instrument wise it's all well equipped, and we have common NMR room for all the IIC people. And for organic chemistry there is a separate. For chemical science building we have separate NMR.
Separate NMR, right?
For this, yeah, research scholar can use it directly. We have a separate key for NMR room also. We can get it directly go. So that and all is there. HPLC, we have flash column chromatography also. So I think equipment wise, the lab is well equipped, and the professor is also good. Seniors also, we have to have somewhat cordial relationship with the seniors and professors. That's it. No need to have some vengeance and all. No.
So if someone is interested in knowing how much megahertz NMR is present there.
I think they have 300.
300 megahertz. Okay, very good. There's a question from Pravi. How much CGPA required for PMRF? Do you have any idea? And how many total courses are there? Are you thinking about this for PMRF?
I'm thinking, but I don't know. That CGPA should be 8.5 above.
Okay.
CGPA should be 8.5 for lateral entry. Combinedly for all the courses, and coursework, I said 4 courses for regular PhD students we have to do.
Okay.
So 8.5 CGPA is mandatory, and the procedure is somewhat elaborate. I think after getting CGPA, we have one presentation, department wise one presentation should be there, and after that we have one committee for PMRF. We have to present the work, so they have to be satisfied. Then only we will get that PMRF fellowship.
Okay. There's a special request from Jitesh. He's saying that why you have preferred IISc over IIT, and he wanted you to answer this in Hindi. Okay, first of all, answer this in English only.
Forget Hindi. You guys will forget Hindi if I talk Hindi. Okay.
Okay. Do you have learned any words in Hindi? I think you must know few words.
No. In class you used to say "Swagat hai aap sabhi ka." That I know.
Yes, very good. You have spoken very well.
And that one I know. Then kaise aap, that small word I can understand, but I don't know to reply in Hindi.
No problem, no problem. Tell me about the credit course also. Is it online? Is there any exam for the course or only presentation? I think she's asking for the for PMRF one, the coursework. You have exam or you have presentations?
Coursework for PhD coursework we have offline only. There is no online course for coursework. And for PMRF we have to do presentation, not online. Everything is offline in before, like in presence of 20 faculties.
Okay. Astha is in the chat and she's asking, Tejasvani, आप कहाँ से हैं and आपको हिंदी नहीं आती क्या?
हिंदी नहीं आती.
Well spoken. You have spoken it very well. I think if you learn, you can get the words very easily.
I have to learn, sir, because here 70% people are northern people. So,
so how you communicate in lab? The mode of communication would be in English, right?
Yeah, it's official conversation all in English only. We won't talk in.
And
even
in your
if
friend circle?
Friend circle, I got Tamil friends here.
Okay.
So there is no problem. But in lab, I think I have to talk only in English.
Some friends from North?
My senior is also from North. So now only our lab also, like five people were from North only. One is from UP, one is from Maharashtra, and West Bengal. Different sides.
I think with time you will be learning more Hindi because You have
Yeah.
people from North also.
I have to.
They give interview language choice, Kannada and
Oh,
English. The
where? PhD
interview would be,
interview?
yes, it would be in English, right?
English only, English only.
Hmm.
IIC interview is in English only. Sometimes if we don't get the words, mostly Hindi professors are there. You guys can talk in Hindi also. You can manage. Don't worry.
There's a question from Manthan Science. If you want, you can answer. He's asking how much is the stipend and how much money we can save, and extra grants like HRA and some gadget funds and all.
Yeah, for CSIR now we have 37,000.
Hmm.
HRA I don't have because I'm staying in hostel now.
Hmm.
So 37,000 only. This contingency amount we have, sir, but I don't know about that contingency amount. Month per year, I think 17,000 is there for contingency. But I'm not sure about that contingency amount. 37,000 we have, but mess fees. If you stay in hostel, especially IIC hostel, mess fees is there for it's nearly 7,000. 7,000 constant mess fees.
Okay.
Mess fees
So
and hostel
7,000 for
maintenance.
6 months, 1 month.
No, 6 month. Sorry, 6,000 for room rent and maintenance, mess fees for
Okay.
each month. For every month, we have to pay 6,000.
Okay.
And mess fees can be consolidated, and they give for 4 or 5 months only. I think after 5 months, I think we can pay completely.
Okay.
So 7,000, we should not take it from our money. Like 37,000 means 30,000 is your amount. 7,000 is gone already.
Okay.
So in that we can manage. I think we don't need to go outside. Everything is there. If you want to purchase also for IIC students, concession is there. Here we have Janta Bazaar. Market is there.
Okay.
Anything we want to purchase also we can purchase it with that coupon, not coupon, but some concession is there. So we can save. I think still now I have no option. Like I don't have any experience. Just 1 month also
Yes,
not
that's right.
completed. So we can do. I think I don't know.
Slowly and slowly, you
Yeah.
will get to know more about it, how you are going to save it.
जिसको भी इंग्लिश नहीं आती है वो कैसे कम्युनिकेट करिए आई डोंट नो यू हैव टू Hindi you can communicate, I think, no problem. For the people who are Hindi, you guys are Hindi background now, you can talk.
You are speaking very well Hindi, Tejasvani. I think you can try some more words in Hindi.
I can study, I mean, read Hindi well, but
Okay.
it's not coming from
Let us
inside.
ask from our viewers. Let them give you a sentence, and you choose one sentence in the comments. Which one you think is the most comfortable one? हाँ, तो साथियों, अगर आप कुछ बोलने के लिए देना चाहते हो तो आप दे सकते हो, ठीक है? And if you feel comfortable, you can choose any one of them. बाकी मैं आपके और भी questions ले लेता हूँ. If I use any instrument in your department, paid or not? पता नहीं कहाँ से ऐसे सवाल आते हैं. Good evening.
I think Vasanta Kumar is from Tamil Nadu. I know him.
He must
No,
be then from IISc.
No, he's not. I don't know him, but before one message I saw he's from Tamil Nadu, I think. If you use any instrument in your department, but no, for the people who are studying here, instrument usage is free.
What's the tuition fee for PhD in IISc?
45,000 at the beginning for the semester. I think hostel fee is also nearly same, like caution deposit also it's there. So nearly 40 to 50,000 we have to pay for tuition.
Peter Atkins has written a comment. Are you understanding this? What he has written?
Where?
Peter Atkins.
அக்கா லேட்டா வந்தாலும் லேட்டஸ்டா தான் வரும்னு சொல்லுங்க. That is one dialogue in Tamil. லேட்டா வந்தாலும் லேட்டஸ்டா.
So this is Tamil?
Yeah, it's Tamil.
Okay. So can you translate this is for us?
No, late. Even if we come late, also we should be. How can I translate? later another latest on means even though if we are late, we are the best like that.
Okay, okay. Uh,
Real is asking, I want to know how much time process you had evolved in preparation for examination. Real, I took, as I said, I took 1 year break, but that I'm not saying that you should take break. I
hmm.
didn't prepare well, so I took 1 year break and I started preparing. And I think if you prepared well, 3 to 4 months also sufficient. When you are constantly in touch with your subject, you can directly qualify the exam in the first attempt also. But practice we need.
Okay.
Asta, mera comment. What comment?
Astha is always engaged in the comment. Uh,
I know her. I used to see the comment section.
in the class, right?
Yeah, in the class.
सर एक बार बताना इनका जेआरएफ फेब वाला हुआ था और ये एमएससी के साथ किया था इन्होंने या आफ्टर मास्टर्स बताया रखा है आस्था एक बार फिर से बता दो तेजस्वनी
What she asked? Sir, एक बार बताना
she
इनका JRF
asked the JRF you cleared was for the Feb one and did you cleared it after your MSc?
Yeah, I completed my PG in 2024 and in 2025 February I qualified JRF.
Abhishek is asking what's your goal after PhD?
I should actually I have a thought of doing postdoc, but I don't know
It's
how
a very
it
long
goes.
process in between.
It's a
There
very
are
long
right.
process. So maybe in the 4th or 5th year of my PhD, I can decide.
Okay. ब्यूटी जी गायत्री मंत्र थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा मेरे ख्याल से इट्स लिटिल
We are writing
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड
Gayatri Mantra.
Beauty has written the Gayatri month. If you are comfortable in pronouncing it, you can try it.
It's very difficult. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsavidur Varenyam Bargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat.
क्या बात है Very good, fantastic. You will be flourishing in Hindi within a month, I think. Just you
Sir,
need
this
is a
one,
common friend who speak Hindi regularly with you.
no, this mantra we know. Even in
Hmm.
Tamil Nadu also we have that Sanskrit type mantra.
Right,
This
right.
we will use to this one I
Okay.
know. If he or she asks some other thing, beauty ji, I can't do.
Let me take some more comments. How is the organic lab there?
It's very good. I think you guys can come for open day. It's there in IIC. It's open to all. You can come and
We can
visit the
visit
lab.
there in IISc.
Yeah, you can. Any people from outside can come and visit the lab, infrastructure, some facility, especially instrumentation. All can be showcased. One day, I think. I don't know when it is coming, but I think nearly in March.
Okay, so if I visit Bangalore, I will be surely coming to IISc Bangalore.
You should come, sir. I will put guest count for you in my hostel. You can
Okay,
stay
very good.
also.
Priya ji is going too personal. She's saying, show your room.
Sorry, Priya. This is the background you can see. My door, my chair, but it's all messy. I can't show you.
Are you working on total synthesis? There's a
Yeah,
question
I'm
from Prabhu.
working on total synthesis. I didn't even started officially, just like I'm learning things. Tejasvani, make Itesa speak some Tamil. Come on, sir.
It will be very new thing for me. I even don't know how to pronounce it.
Yeah, but we guys are pronouncing Hindi little bit good, no? Why you not? You have to learn. I will
I
teach you
can try.
some Tamil words.
Uh,
Tejaswini, if I'm not wrong, that you made a YouTube reel about food, I guess. No, I didn't make Asta. I think you should edit the video and make. Huh? You're a good
yes,
editor, I
she is
know.
the editor of our
I know,
channel.
I know, I know.
Oh, okay. She actually, Astha is asking, you also made an edit of our class, right? Which we put in
Yeah,
our
yeah,
YouTube.
that one. Yeah,
She's
yeah,
talking about that
yeah, that.
edit one.
Oh, I thought she's saying about this IIC food.
No.
Yeah,
She's
I
talking
made
about the
one.
class one.
Yeah, that
Hmm.
one I made.
Is there any physical chemistry research in IIC?
Physical chemistry, I don't think we have separate department. I'm not sure, but we
Hmm.
have solid state. One department is there, solid state and structural chemistry. Then polymer is there, energy is there, MRC is there, materials research center is there. You
MSc
can.
students are also there in IIC?
Yes, sir. MSc chemistry is also there, and
Okay.
MTech also there. Chemical engineering is there. MTech chemical
Hmm.
engineering and integrated PhD is also there. Regular apart from regular PhD,
Integrated.
MSc with PhD. Yeah, integrated PhD is there.
So your coursework is going along with the integrated PhD students, or it's for you people are it's completely separate?
There are two different levels of courses.
Hmm.
One is two-level course and other is three-level course.
Hmm.
Two-level course means PG and PhD can take.
Okay.
Three-level course is mainly for PhD students, but if interested students can also come and attend.
Okay. Neha
But
wants to know about the GATE exam, how you scored in your GATE exam.
sorry, Neha, that is not a good rank actually. I didn't prepare well. I just got 1427 rank. That is very bad.
Okay. Actually, you prepared well for CSIR NET, and that physical chemistry portion matters for GATE exam, and you
Yeah.
strategize yourself for the NET exam. So that's the difference. How many students are in the lab right now?
Right now, in my lab, more than 10 people are there. Three people were going this year. Like they submitted the thesis. They are waiting for their
Okay.
viva. I mean that last portion.
Hmm.
Maybe within 1 year, they all three people will go. Now almost 10 people are there in our lab.
Okay. There's a question from Harry. Do you pay for your NMRs and other analytical techniques, or it is free?
It's free for NMR, IR, everything is free. Who are already, maybe who are giving NMRs from outside will have a cost, but people who are studying here doing research, it's free. NMR is free, ekdam free.
Okay. How many hours of classes and lab? This is a very good question.
This is a good question.
Hmm.
Yeah, lab hours like morning. Lab there is no restriction. We can go
Hmm.
at any time. But for our safety, now we are taking coursework as well as lab at the same time. So we
Mhm.
have to manage both. Morning, if I go 8:30, I'll come to room at night 9 o'clock.
Okay.
So
So
12
it.
hours nearly.
Hmm.
Uh, in between, I have theory class, like coursework also
Hmm.
per day. That is not like timetable, like how we used to study in school, UG and all. It's not like that. For me, I will say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I have one lecture. Only one lecture is there, 1 hour lecture.
Okay.
And Tuesday, Thursday, I have three lectures
Hmm.
morning, afternoon, evening, three lectures. So it's like my routine is like when I go to lecture for 8:30 to 1, 8:30 to 10, I have lecture. Then after 10, I will go to lab up to lunch. Then after 1 hour lunch, I'll go to lab, then to lecture, then to lab, then to room. Like this.
Okay. Okay. So you have
Feels
to
like
be.
hectic. Feels
Hmm.
like hectic, but we can manage. If we don't want or if we don't have any work at the moment, we can come. We can go
Right.
out also. Is there coursework only for 6 months or 1 year? 6 months also we can take, 1 year also we can take. But if
Mhm.
we finish it yearly, it will be good to do research later on. So mostly people who are here, they are doing in just 6 months, like all the four works on just 6 months. It's easy also because in the beginning we don't have that much lab pressure. So we can complete the theory peacefully in the first 6 months. So later on we will work for lab.
There's a question from Swati. How is the research different from academics, and who should pursue, I think, the research?
Academic, yeah, it's different. Means, for example, in my case, I'm taking organic courses for my coursework. So if I study theoretically organic paper there, it may be useful to use it in my scheme, in my reaction. Sometimes we have the basic knowledge if we do that coursework. We can apply it on our lab.
What
But
are the
it's
things you are currently studying in your coursework? Can you tell
I
me
have
in the?
four papers, sir. Like I have to choose four paper. It's not like compulsory, but
Mm-hmm.
four paper I can choose in the all IIC. You can choose whatever the department. Not only in chemistry. If you want to study English communication also for just credits, you can go and do.
Okay.
In our lab, my professor suggested to take related only to chemistry. So I took one paper, organic synthesis, advanced organic synthesis, one paper, organometallic chemistry I took.
Okay.
Then asymmetric catalysis I took, and one more is related to what I forgot.
So don't worry, it happens
No, no, no.
sometimes.
It's like proteins and peptides. Fourth
Okay.
paper is proteins and peptides, organic only, related.
So
Yeah.
it's more what you are studying currently. Does it overlap with your JRF preparation or it's something new?
Organic synthesis overlaps with my preparation because
Okay.
whatever we studied, now we currently, you see, whatever we studied in CSIR, especially Wittig reagent, Julia olefination, those things are coming in the first part of organic paper. Julia Peterson, Tebe reagent, these are all coming. I think those who are preparing for CSIR exam, please prepare carefully. Those things are coming here also. Yeah.
Pravi is asking very good questions. There is one more question. There is a TA only for LS or GATE qualified students now. Are you or you are working as a TA also? Is it compulsory?
No, TA, I think here there is no TA. I think
Explain the TA also because some of the students might not know what
TA
TA
is
ship is.
teaching assistant. For HTRA is there. HTRA means those who didn't qualify any exam. For example, in IIT, I have seen my friend, she's doing PhD as a HTRA. HTRA means teaching assistant. They will do research and they will teach for the MSc or some courses also. Like they have some specific hours of teaching.
Okay.
From that, they will be paying. Like how we are getting stipend,
Okay.
those who didn't qualify exam also, if they go to the like as a project assistant or project associate, they can join a PhD later on with HTRA, which means they when you teach to the students, when you go and teach students as a teacher, you will be paid. So that is HTRA. As a TA, you can do, but I don't know. Here, I think no one is using that TA. Mostly here are GATE and JRF qualified students, so they are getting stipend from CSIR or UGC.
So there is no compulsory TA ship there.
If mostly if you joined your mode of entry itself is like HTRA means, then you have the extra one job also to do teaching.
Okay.
It's like job only. Like apart from research, you have to teach your juniors like MSc or MTech students. Then you will be paid for this many hours. You will be paid for this many. Like payment is there. I don't know. I have never seen anyone in IIC doing this. I
Okay.
don't know. But IIT, even in IIT Madras is there. I have seen my friend doing HTRA. She's doing PhD as HTRA, like
Okay.
teaching assistant. Yeah.
There's a question from Priya. Professors का behave कैसा होता है during PhD?
Professors during PhD, how can I say?
Are they helpful and they help you initially? You must have not spent too much time with your guide, I think, right now. But how is the
But
first impression?
it depends, sir. It depends on the lab also.
Mhm.
In my department, my professor, like, he is very senior, so he has some other commitments also. Like, he is editor in JOC paper.
Okay.
So some other external works also he have, so he will come and we have communication, like whatever the course related or lab related work we can discuss that weekly. One day is there for every
Right.
Saturday. We in my lab especially Saturday he used to come and discuss everything whatever happening, and any doubt or any further how to proceed with the reaction we can discuss. I think communication is good here. No negative things. Professors are good. When you join under them, they have the responsibility of giving you PhD. It's like your responsibility as well as their responsibility. So they will not make you feel too much. Okay, so they will help you. Don't worry.
Kanchan is asking, IISc में संडे छुट्टी देते हैं?
Sunday, not always, depends on the lab. Now I
Hmm.
am on leave, so it's not like if you have too much work, you can go and work on Sunday also.
Hmm.
We have yearly 30 days leave. Research scholars can take 30 days leave for a year. So you can take leave also, no problem.
Shraddha is asking, आपको बोलने में nervousness नहीं होती है? And give her some tips.
Tips. Practice before attending any interview or something, like in front of mirror, sometimes talking randomly to your friends or to your family. Then if you feel nervous also, it's fine. They won't judge you, they won't it's not like they will not select when you're nervous. They are not if you're not answering, it means that you're not getting selected. No, I didn't even answer to all the questions of my second round of interview. So about selection, you no need to get worried. But after that, you have to develop somewhat that nervousness should go little bit.
Beauty is asking, हाँ जी दी, आप इतना fast कैसे बोल लेते हो? How your English is so good? She want to know
No, your Hindi is good, na. That's how my English is good.
that. Right. But your native language will also be good, and your English is also good.
No, sir. Actually, we have no option. No, like we when we come out, we can't talk in Tamil. Like most of the people don't know Tamil. If here, especially in IISc Bangalore,
Hmm.
um, they know
And during
Kannada.
your
They know.
MSc, during your MSc,
MSc also, my professor used to talk only in English,
okay.
and maybe because of that, I know this much, but no problem. You can manage in Hindi also, no problem.
Um, Kanchan, she has already told about the interview process. That was in the starting of portion of the interview. You can go through that, okay? Um, as you said, you took recorded lectures. You take live lectures from IFAS. So you were in the recorded lectures, and she wants to know you you take live lectures from IFS. Please,
I
once more
took
time.
recorded lectures, but I used to watch all the YouTube live classes. So that maybe that is one more positive I can say. Recorded, apart from recorded, if you watch live YouTube, at least you can watch YouTube live. So I watched all the YouTube live of Itay sir, Raudut sir, and Ashita ma'am.
So stay connected with the crash course and what we teach on the
Yeah,
YouTube. उसको पढ़ो.
yeah.
इनको मैं कितना बताता हूँ, ये पढ़ते नहीं है ना, प्रॉब्लम तो ये है. अभी इंटरव्यू में
What
कुछ बोल नहीं
Harry
रहा.
is written in Tamil, huh? உங்கள்
Oh,
ஆய்வகம்
Harry
பொதுவாக
Dhiman has written entire something in Tamil. What it is written, you must be understanding it.
உங்கள் ஆய்வகம் பொதுவாக எந்தெந்த வெளியீடுகளில் ஆராய்ச்சி. I think it translated in Google, I guess.
Yes.
It's not
He
the
has
normal
translated
Tamil.
something.
Yeah. உங்கள் ஆய்வகம் பொதுவாக எந்தெந்த வெளியீடுகள் ஆராய்ச்சி கட்டுரைகளை வெளியிடுகிறது சிலவற்றை குறிப்பிட முடியும். He is asking what are the research papers related to our work and
Okay.
journal. Like he is asking about the journal and something specifically. So means organic, we use maximum ACS publications. We will see to it, and JOC, OL papers are there. Organic letters, Journal of Organic Chemistry. I think he is asking that. I think, yeah. சிலவற்றை குறிப்பிட முடியுமா?
Yes, आस्था तेजस्विनी is from organic specialization. Starting में हमने ये discuss किया था. How many total papers are there in the coursework? I
Have
think.
to take 4 courses for PhD, regular PhD students. We should complete that. We should have that 12 CGPA. I mean, we should have at least that one. Um, means 12 means credits. I'm telling, not CGPA. 12 credits we should have. So 4 courses we have to take in the whole first year. It is better to take yearly or later on.
Rohan wants to know how many full-length mock tests you gave before NET exam.
I gave, I don't remember, but maybe 4 or 5.
4 or 5, okay. And the score
Yeah,
was near about?
my score is about 100 to 120 I have for the last 6 months, but not before that. Before that, mine is very low. I think you guys should hear this. I got 40, 50, 30. That is my score. So that is my first score. My first score is 34 in my mock test out of 200.
It's a very important point you have raised. Please
Yeah.
repeat this so that they can
Yeah.
understand, because in every other day students comes to me, sir, number nahi बढ़ रहा, and they get demotivated. So how you overcome this?
No, don't get demotivated, because when I was in MSc also, my score is just 20, 30, 40, this range only. After preparation also, in the mock test, I used to get 70, 80. That's it. I won't get more than that. Maybe that last 3 months after revising the previous year questions and all the live lectures, and maybe the important points, I used to take notes, and by remembering all those concepts, maybe it is raised to 100, 110 something. But don't worry if you're getting 80, 70, 60 and all. It's good. You can learn, you can develop.
Right. There was a question from Beauty. It was a very interesting question. Did you ever bunk your classes?
Arey yaar, just now I started. I didn't. I didn't. I think this. Our senior should not watch this.
Yes.
I
This,
didn't bunk class till now. Uh,
but
Maybe later
nothing
on
know
we can.
what will happen in the future.
Yeah.
Is there any attendance counting in all the years or only in the first year?
No, attendance, till now we don't have a specific attendance. Maybe in the department we have to go and sign. But after that, in the CSIR portal, I think we have to upload it the attendance. I think that one.
Okay.
For your fellowship, you have to do.
Okay, so I think we will be winding up the session. Of course, we are reaching 1.5 hour. Some last questions जो आपको पूछते हैं वो पूछो फटाफट से. उसके बाद we will be winding up it. Okay, so I will be taking few
Can we
more questions.
continue our MSc project to PhD work? Yes, Peter Atkins, you can continue your MSc project to PhD also. That depends on where you are joining or the same lab you are working. That depends on you.
How to select the research topic? I have not done any project during MSc.
No, I'm reading Akansha's message. Hindi mein "Arey yaar" was so cute. Thank you.
No, you speak well Hindi. I think you will learn it
No,
very fast.
maybe I'm surrounded by the people who are in talking Hindi na. Also for classes, I used to watch live YouTube live. You guys
Right.
are
So
talking
how
in
many
Hindi.
percentage of jokes which I crack in the class you used to get it?
I will get all the jokes sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes I will not, like that. One time your AC is got gone.
Right. My AC was actually not working, so I left the screen, and
Yeah,
I
that
used to
one
give
day.
kasam to the students. Did you used to understand that?
कसम में प्यार तुम लोग something used to say. That one.
Yes. तेजस्विनी को देख के मुझे चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस की याद आ रही है. Yes, she is from Chennai.
So you are saying me that I am Deepika Padukone or what?
Sir, please ask when she
When
did MSc as I did in 22. Should I leave net preparation or continue?
I completed MSc in 2024. And 1 year only I prepared. If you already 2022 batch means you have to, I don't know what to say. Maybe if you are very much interested or you can do it, you can do. This is the last time in the December session you can qualify JRF.
Hmm.
Otherwise, what is the interest? You can see and go to it. I have no
अपने
idea.
इंटरेस्ट के साथ जाएं काजल जी, आपको लगता है कि यू हैव स्टिल यू आर इंटरेस्टेड और आप एग्जाम में कितना नजदीक हो वो भी मैटर करता है ना, वो आप इवेलुएट करो एक बार.
Yeah, Deepika Padukone like Tejasvani. Okay. Okay, stop it now. I'm blushing.
Is there any written exam or coursework or only presentation in your course? I think she's asking about
No,
that.
coursework, written exam is there, presentation is there, especially note down surprise quiz is there. When you are not in the class, that time they will give you a surprise quiz and your quiz mark is gone. So you have to give full attendance for getting all the marks.
Hmm. There's a
So
question from Kanchan. मॉक कब से देना स्टार्ट किया था, एंड सिंस यू हैव आल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस prepared in 6 months, then from which month you started giving your mocks?
last 3 month topic wise test I used to give then and there after completing each units.
Okay.
Last 1 month fully for full length mock, I can say full length
Hmm.
mock for 1 month, maybe January end to February I gave. February 28 was the exam, so I gave February fully.
Your Hindi thoda thoda but very nice.
Thank you, Indian girl, thank you. I think you guys should talk Tamil, no? I will teach you some words.
uh,
Stop making me blush, okay?
ma'am,
Akansha, Ria.
Akansha and Ria, they have only one thing. They will be now.
Yeah.
अब उनको एक चीज मिल गई है, अब वो उसके ऊपर पीछे लगे रहेंगे वो. How select research topic? I have not any project work during the MSc. Go on your interest, I think. What's your
Yeah.
take on this?
You have to go by your interest only if you are not done your MSc project.
सर आफ्टर JRF क्या तेजस्विनी आपसे मिली थी? नो आस्था, ऐसा नहीं है कि हर JRF निकालने वाला बच्चा मेरे से मिल ही रहा है ना? She stays very far away from where I stay.
I think you should come Bangalore.
Yes, of course. If I come, if I visit Bangalore, I will be visiting IISc Bangalore for sure. I have planned if I visit any state or any, let's suppose district where we have an IIT or IISc, I will be planning to go there. So,
Please come Bangalore.
hmm. Okay then.
What question?
There is a question, sir. What is the scope and jobs after PhD chemistry in IISc? If you can say some points over that.
In
Department.
IIC, I don't know. In IIC, maybe if you want to do postdoc, go and do postdoc and come back as assistant professor.
Hmm.
If you want to do guide, if you have guideship, if you want to guide students, you can be assistant professor and guide them. Or else you can go for any companies also. After completing PhD, you have good position in industry sides, so you can go.
There's a question from Arjuna. Till how much net rank IISc takes student?
No, there is no rank limit. If you
Hmm.
qualify JRF, that's enough.
Yes. So it doesn't matter if you have a JRF AIR 100 or you are AIR 1. Every student
No,
is on the same platform.
same. Yeah. According to guide, I selected research topic. No, according to your research topic, select your guide.
Yes. Industrial experience, how much helpful for PhD admission? Uh, do they ask questions from your background also, like what you are doing currently, or since they know that you have just cleared your masters, so most of the questions from your subject based or
Yeah.
something about
if
your.
if already
Hmm,
those who have experience work experience in industry, they may ask how this compound is synthesized and what is your work experience related to that. If
right.
you have no work experience, they will ask you some theoretical and some research related questions.
Is GATE compulsory for IISc?
It's not like that. You have any fellowship, Inspire, Gate, Net, I mean JRF, you can join.
Any one of them would work here.
Any one of them is fine. Can we enter with the GATE rank? As I listen, IIC mostly takes the net qualified students. Actually, GATE students also there. So many GATE students also there. So if you already have GATE, you
Hmm.
can. But it should be, I mean, more than 500. Some GATE score. I
Okay.
don't remember the GATE score that cutoff. But if you have, you can join IIC by GATE.
You should have a decent rank, I think. Then only
Since
you will be entertained.
yeah,
There's a question. Did you try Ragi mudde? Because sir is more interested to taste that. Have you tried that?
yeah, I tried it. I tried it. I
I
think, sir,
have
you
to
should
try
try.
that dish.
You come here, na? It's Bangalore.
Hmm.
We have ragi mudde also. In CMS, we have ragi mudde for breakfast.
Okay.
So you should
So
come.
the concept of ragi mudde is that we do not chew that and we just gulp it.
We have gulp it.
Okay. So isn't it difficult task to do that?
If you like it, if you
If
like the taste, then it's good. You can
but
eat.
how we are going to taste that if we have not, अगर हम उसे चबा नहीं रहे हैं तो फिर उसका टेस्ट
You
कैसे आता होगा?
you can slowly swallow, na? That
Okay.
time your tongue. You can otherwise you can shave also if you want.
Okay, okay. I have to try that dish. Let's see when will this happen. Uh,
Actually, Inspire Fellowship
hmm,
आईआईसी में इंस्पायर फेलोशिप वाले कंसिडर होता है कि नहीं पीएचडी के लिए इंस्पायर या इंस्पायर दे आर कंसिडरिंग बट आई थिंक taking inspire fellowship is somewhat long process, I could say, because there are two step of verification. Like
hmm,
first level verification will be done by your I mean PG marks and your university rank, that certificate. But
hmm.
second round is like after joining to the institute, you have to give the research proposal, CV of your guide, then your area of interest, something too much. Then after that, they will scrutinize and shortlist.
Okay,
And so we are not sure that we will get selected by Inspire or not. So it's not sure. But if you have CSIR or GATE, you can go. Inspire is not sure. If you didn't get Inspire, then you have to discontinue the course and go out.
okay.
So
Means
that's
JRF is
not.
more safe.
Yeah, yeah. Because Inspire, if you get selected by Inspire, it's good. But in
Okay.
second round, if you are not selected, then
Hmm.
I mean, your admission is temporary, so you will not be permitted in IIC.
Okay.
Have you experienced any form of lab politics in your lab? Everyone is nice and chill. I can't tell you here. It's good. Okay, it's good. You will get to know.
Something up and down, I think, is always
It's
there.
there.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's always there.
So it's the part of life. Which IIC or IITs is best to choose if we want to pursue PhD in organic chemistry?
Um, It's not like IIT or IIC.
Hmm.
It's like the area of interest or the guide whom you are approaching, and constant fellowship background you should have at least for your 4 5 years. So fellowship and your research guide and your lab facilities, that is important. Not IIT or IIC. You can go anywhere.
Hmm. And have you thought about moving out of India for your PhD? And
No, I have
hmm,
never thought about it. I want to do PhD in India, so maybe for postdoc I can go, but
hmm.
for PhD I plan to do in India only.
Okay. Have a glass of Nimbu Pani because you speak continuously from last 1.5 hours. Yes, yes. That's why I'm thinking we are going to wind up this session because it's too long session. I will be taking two last questions and then we will wind up. Okay. Mm, the first question which I'm taking: what motivates you to join PhD in IISc?
Um,
What was the main
Not like
reason you chose IISc?
IISc is like we all know it's the best institute all over India and for doing research. And apart from that, our department where I am working, I have already searched other departments in other IITs. We have some more extra facilities, not in instrumentation as well as in paper related things, publications and all. So that thing, then choosing guide who have already a very good background, which means he has already guided so many people. So that also we should consider. So all considering together, I took IIC because it's the comparatively good. I mean, best also I can say, but better than other IITs.
Okay, very good. One last question we will be taking, and then we will be moving towards the winding up this session. I will be taking something about, if you want to ask about the preparation, because most of you are still preparing. Uh, there's a question from Akansha. How could, at this time of preparation, we decide which IIT to choose for PhD in organic chemistry? This time, I think, what is your comment over this?
No, at the time of preparation, you can just see what are all the institutes of your choice. Maybe have 3 to 5 institutes. In that, apply all the 5 institutes. Go to the interview, attend it, and after qualifying exam, choose the professor also for your preference. And if you get selected and all things gone right, then join there. Yeah, you have options, just 3 or 4 options you can have. From that, you can
Hmm.
choose.
Okay, one more last question. Just give them some tips about their preparation and how to be motivated, because just now they have seen their scorecard, most of them, the repeaters, and they have seen a very low score and they get very much demotivated. So, what was your take, and how you used to get motivated during your preparation? How you overcome your low phase of preparation? Just give some message to all these students who are listening to you.
First of all, don't get demotivated by the marks. First thing I can tell you these things because mark is just, as I said, it's number, but you can take it as a experience and prepare more. But it doesn't mean that you are getting low mark means you're not good. It's not like that. If you even get 30 20s also, that's not, even I got 20 30s, so it's not like getting marks is important. Maybe at this time you didn't get, if you prepare for December session you can qualify JRF. So it's not about the mark. Just analyze what is wrong and which session, which part of chemistry you are weak. Prepare more and just see through the syllabus, cover at most 70 percentage of the syllabus which is more comfortable to you. If you study physical more, then concentrate more on physical. At least take two subjects for major, either organic inorganic, physical inorganic, anything. Two papers, concentrate more, take one paper as a least one. So prepare all the important points, don't skip the unit which you are preparing. If you are preparing 2 units also, prepare fully, so that if any question from that unit we can answer. So that is one thing. So mark is not a problem for preparation. We can say like just watch all the live lectures, try to take notes. If you have doubt, then and there ask, or just google it also, or any book, reference book you have, means we have to study reference book, I have to say, because for organic, for my side, I studied Nance and Claydon. Nance, I think 90 percentage I covered in Nance book. Claydon also I have chosen. So reference book is important. Previous year questions are important. If you're studying for 4 to 5 months, also constantly prepare. Like you should not take a 1 week break and then 1 week study. No, like
Right.
that. At least study continuously so that you have connection with your subject. You will not forget. Organic and all, you should write the mechanism and see, give the stereochemistry product, everything. No, you should not like memorize things. You should not memorize. So you have to understand the concept. At least try to cover 70 percentage or 60 to 70 percentage of the syllabus, I can say, so that it is easy for you. If questions are difficult in exam also, you can manage. So this is what, number is not a problem. Try to take more mock test, unit test, whatever topic you are weak, focus on that topic. Do
Hmm.
unit wise or chapter wise test, analyze that topic, then finally before the exam, just give that full length mock test. Don't give it in the beginning itself, otherwise you will be demotivated. Don't give it in the beginning. After completing the syllabus, after you have some faith in you, then you can give. So that is the thing.
And how many hours of study one must do?
Not like, but last, when you're nearing to the exam, try to cover it 6 to 7 hours per day. If you're full time preparing, or if you're doing any job, then you have to manage along with your job or along with your MSc.
Hmm.
If you're full time preparing for your CSIR or GATE exam,
Hmm.
7 to 8 hours is minimum and good,
What
because
was your schedule during your preparation? Morning to evening
my
routine?
preparation, yeah, I prepare for 6 hours, I think 6 to 7 hours for the last 2 months, not regularly, because now itself, if we started for 6 to 7 hours, we will be tired.
Right.
Don't do that. Slowly, slowly, you can increase the speed and you can increase the concepts also. But 6 hours is enough when you study properly. Not only study, I'm telling you, in that 6 hours mock test, analyze that mock test and study new concept or revise the old concept, everything
Hmm.
you can do it in that 6 to 8 hours. That's enough per day. 8 hours, I think, more than enough.
So if you are studying per day 8 hours, it's very much. And just be consistent, because consistency is the key to success, I think. Okay.
How to overcome negativity?
Hmm. Negative during
You're
preparation
not able to
sometimes we.
concentrate how to tackle this,
Hmm.
Akansha. Negativity will be there from family also. Pressure will be there.
Hmm.
We have to do PhD, so some pressure also there. But like, be positive, focus on the studies. Don't get distracted, I can say, at least for the last 3 months of the exam, or at least 2 months of the exam. Before that,
Hmm.
don't get distracted. I think we should not use that much social media, I can say.
Right.
Not like it's a common thing, but maybe it's dry to say, but that is true. If we are too much involved in phone, addicted to mobile, then we can't come back. So I
Right.
can say positively, not to get addicted to the mobile, and not to spend unwanted things only before exam. You can do every time, but only before exam, just for 1 month you can manage.
Right.
Family pressure is there, yeah.
ओके, आई थिंक कि बहुत कुछ आपने सीखा होगा और इस सेशन से, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो आप अभी शायद गलत कर रहे हो, जैसे 8-8 घंटे 9-9 घंटे पढ़ने का जो प्रेशर बना रखा है, उतना भी नहीं करना। शी यूज्ड टू डू ओनली 6 आवर्स इन द इनिशियल फेजेस, तो आप उतना भी कर रहे हो तो यू आर गोइंग इन अ गुड डायरेक्शन। लेकिन जो पढ़ो अच्छा पढ़ो, और उसका कंसिस्टेंट रहो। 2 दिन झंडे गाड़ देंगे और तीसरे दिन हम फैल जाएंगे, तो उससे बात नहीं बनने वाली है, जो आपको ध्यान रखना है। ओके, सो लेट्स वाइंड अप दिस सेशन। बहुत ही अच्छा रहा कन्वर्सेशन, बहुत सारी नई चीजें मुझे भी पता लगी, और आईआईएससी बैंगलोर जब भी आएंगे तो पक्का हम तो विजिट करने वाले हैं वहां पे, और विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर कमिंग डेज, और आई नो यू आर गोइंग टू फ्लरिश देयर।
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Actually, thank you. So many messages are there. Thank you. Thank you. Like, they are saying good session, happy, happy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you all for joining the session. I
Peter
think this will
Atkins,
help
thanks
you.
is something different. You should
What?
consider that.
Okay, yeah, thanks, Akka. Akka, see, sir, Akka is something Didi.
Okay.
Uh, Enikavadam Sandikava.
Okay,
I
thank
see.
you. Thank you so much,
Thank
everyone.
you. Your bro in interview, Teja.
Dipanshu, I think you
Dipanshu.
met Dipanshu in the interview, right?
Yeah, actually, he called me in the interview. I don't know why.
Mm,
Yeah, it's good.
very good. I think Dipanshu is also doing PhD from IIT Bhilai.
I did Bilai. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
I saw
I think
his.
you should have a session with him also. He
Yes,
will.
I can have a session with him also. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Good night. Or thank you so much, Tejasvani, once again for sharing so much things with us.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you.